Hey, hope everyone's having a fantastic day. Today is how much protein do I eat on a plant-based diet. So if you're new to my channel, I've been eating plant-based for about 11 years. I'm into intermittent fasting and fitness calisthenics. So that's what my channel is all about. And I'm going to show you what I ate for the day, tell you exactly what it was, and then I have the macronutrient breakdown that I'm going to share. So just a couple of minutes, stick with me here, and you'll see all the details. So I had my first meal at 1 p.m. This was a smoothie. It had about a half pound of spinach, 2 cups of frozen berries, 2 bananas, 2 dates, a cup of coconut water, a cup of almond milk, and then I used about a tablespoon or so of this Vitamineral green powder. So I've been putting this in. It's just basically dried plants, herbs, sea vegetables, and things of that nature. And that made just over a liter, and enjoyed that while I got back to work. And then at 5 p.m., I had a grapefruit and a sumo citrus. We're starting to get good citrus in, so I've been enjoying that. And then at 6:30 p.m., I made this veggie tofu, and I put it over rice. It had tofu, carrots, onions, some vegetables in it, and I had a couple of bowls of that. And I also had some avocado on top of Dave's bread, 2 slices of that with the veggie tofu over rice. And then just after that, I had some pretzels with a carrot, and I dipped that in hummus. And then I finished it off with some dessert. It's a little chocolate bar, Dot Chocolate, I think it's called. I found this on Instagram. It's kind of healthy. It just has organic cacao, organic dates, peanut butter, and cacao butter and sea salt. So there's no added sugar. So that's what I had for the day. It turned out to be 2,800 calories. It had 380 grams of net carbs, 67 grams of fiber, 88 grams of fat, and 86 grams of protein. So thanks for tuning in. Make sure you check out my plant-based recipe ebook. I have a link in the description box. It has delicious recipes that I make on a regular basis to stay fit and healthy all year long. Make sure you leave me a comment, give me a thumbs up or thumbs down, subscribe for more. You can text me if you want some one-on-one fat loss or fitness coaching. And I hope everyone has a fantastic day. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.